Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you kind of a story that involves 4 guards, a prison, and a criminal. And this one's called Card Escape. So before we start, we're gonna need to pull out the 4 guards of the prisoner, and we'll use the 4 jacks for this. You can use any 4 cards really that you like. It doesn't really matter, but the jacks are kind of guards anyway, so we'll just use them as the guards. So you have the jack of hearts, the jack of spades, the jack of clubs, and the jack of diamonds. These are the 4 guards, and they're going to be guarding the criminal. And the criminal is somebody that your spectator will be picking out of a lineup. And the lineup is just as you riffle down the cards like this, the spectator can tell you when to stop. So let's just say they stop you right there. And let's see what they stopped you at, the 10 of spades. So the 10 of spades will be the criminal. We'll outjog the 10 of spades and put it with the guards. Now the 10 of spades, we'll call him Houdini. So now you have 5 cards over here. You have Houdini, the 1, 2, 3, 4 guards, okay? Have the spectator place their hands out and place the cards in between their hands like this. This will be the prison, and you can make Houdini actually escape from the prison and back into the deck of cards. And let's see, if we turn these cards over, spectator is now left with just the 4 jacks, and the prisoner is actually back in society, face up in your regular deck of cards. And that's Card Escape. Now before I show you how to do it, please as always like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you all for your support. And if you're looking to support this channel through the YouTube channel membership, you can do that all through the links in YouTube provided below. Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. All right, Card Escape the tutorial. It's just a regular deck of cards. You pull out any 4 of a kind, and we'll use the jacks. And so once you pull the cards out, stack the jacks up in one hand. I'm holding the deck with my left hand. This is my right hand. Call out the jack, so say this is a jack of spades, and when you do that, get a pinky break underneath the first jack. So you say jack of spades, jack of clubs, jack of diamonds, and jack of hearts, and now you have a pinky break underneath the top 3 jacks with leaving 1 jack face up on top of the deck. Grab the 3 jacks and do a wrist kill. So you turn the cards over, place the jacks face down on the table, make sure not to separate only 3 cards, and flipping this deck over so you're concealing that you have a face-up jack on top of the deck. Place the cards now in your hand face up and get ready to do riffling down with your left thumb and also getting a break underneath that face up now jack on the top, okay, with your thumb. So we riffle down, have that break, swivel cut over or swing cut over, you show the card that they stopped you at, and it can be any card that they stopped you at. Turn this card over, and you're doing a tip over change now with this jack, and as you go over this card, you're dropping that jack now on top of that face down card that they stopped you. So this is the jack, and you're left with 1 more face down card underneath it, the card that they stopped you out. Out jog, concealing the bottom of the deck, out jog that top card, which is now the jack, okay? So you actually have this, but you're concealing that with this other half of the deck, okay? And with your finger, in case the other card gets pushed out a little bit, you can always push it back down with your finger underneath that jack, okay? So make sure that you're only taking the jack out. Pull the jack out now and place it on top of these cards here. Place this stack of cards, now the deck, face down on the table. Now you're gonna have to count and show that you have 5 cards when you only have now 4 cards. This is just the jack. So you say you have the criminal here, which is Houdini. Peel off 1 card, holding the cards with, I like to do it with holding the top and the bottom with my middle finger and thumb, and then going back over, grabbing that card with your middle finger and thumb as you peel off another card. So it looks like you're pulling 1 card off, showing 1, Houdini, going back over, peeling off 1 card, that 1 card that you put in your hand, again on the bottom, and then peeling off another card, and you're counting that as 2 now, and then you go 3, and then just count off top of the cards as 1, okay, 4, and 5, and that just makes it look like you're counting off 5 cards out of 4. So it's just 1, grab that bottom card, 2, just the top card, just the top card, just the top card, so it looks like you have 5 cards. Now you place this pack of cards squared up between the spectator's hands. The magic's already done. Do your magic move, your routine. Show them that you only have the 4 jacks in their hand, and then when you go and spread these cards out, you'll have 1 face-up card, which will be the card that they stopped you at, and that'll be the criminal back in the deck, okay? And that's Card Escape, and it's just a regular deck of cards, no setup needed. You can have the 4 jacks or 4 of a kind, whatever you want to use on top of the deck if you want, but it's really easy to do and a neat little trick, okay? Especially with the little pattern with it. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments below. I do respond to comments. I hope you enjoy it, and until next time.